skiing down there. Went to
yeah. And then his thing is,
I figured now it's starting current.
Distinguished guests from the elected officials and the Wisconsin. I'm here to celebrate with you the past, the present, and the future, as Kate Hill had talked about, the chairman of very, very modest beginnings. I was born in China, the only child of 6 to be born in China. Grew up in Hong Kong. When I graduated from high school, I went to my dad and said, I want to go to college. I thought it. I was devastated. I had all this dream to be a pharmacist. Somebody told me today, what's it, Adam? Adam, where are you? You want to be a pharmacist? I future ahead of you, I'm watching for you. So I volunteered as a teenager, young teenager, 16-year-old, for an organization that is drug addicts, opium drug addicts. Talking about them, I still have goosebumps. I dared to go into that community and work with them, play chess with them, play ping pong with them. Because my father worked for the correction department, I lived in a place where I was surrounded by inmates. They came out to see their houses. So that year, there was a World Conference in Hong Kong for the United Nations Secretary Generals that came to